In today's video, I will teach you how to bevel text and objects in GIMP. Let's get started. If you need a bevel effect quickly, GIMP includes an easy tool for that. However, GIMP also offers the capacity to add additional effects through the use of third-party software known as plugins. I'm going to show you two methods for achieving the bevel effect in GIMP: by using the Add Bevel effect and by downloading an infinitely better beveling tool that produces excellent results. To use the built-in bevel effect in GIMP, first type in the text that you want to apply the effect on. Go to the toolbar, select the text tool, or simply press T on your keyboard for a quick tool switch. You can change the font style and font size at the side panel as well. And to transform the text, simply go to the toolbar and select the Unify Transform tool, or simply press Shift-T on your keyboard. Once you're satisfied with your text, you can now add the bevel effect. Go to the menu bar, Filters, Decor, and Add Bevel. GIMP's built-in bevel effect doesn't really have much to adjust, and the results are barely visible. But luckily, you can easily install a plugin that gives you a wide variety of settings for bevel and emboss, as well as other layer effects for free. Simply go to this website, download the Layer Effects plugin, and extract the file from the folder and place it in this directory. Now, restart GIMP by going to the Files, select Quit, and simply press Ctrl-Q on your keyboard. Once you've opened GIMP once again, go to the menu bar, Layers, and now you have the layer effects installed. Here, you have different layer effects to choose from. And most importantly, you have a very detailed set of parameters to customize your bevel effect. Just make sure to enable the preview option, and you can now play around with the parameters until you achieve your desired effect. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.